Multi-agent spatial predictive control with application to drone flocking. Simulation of a flock with 30 drones in a scenario with 3 obstacles. The flock is formed from randomized starting positions. To reach the first target location, the flock needs to avoid an obstacle in the middle of the path. It further needs to pass between 2 obstacles. Simulation of a flock with 15 drones in a scenario with 11 obstacles. Even in this cluttered environment, thresholds for collision avoidance and obstacle clearance are continuously maintained. Hardware experiment with 9 Crazyflie drones in our robotic lab. After starting from initial positions, the flock is formed. Throughout the sequence of target locations, the flock formation is successfully maintained.